Hey everybody, welcome to College Cuisine. This is Uncle Bart. Today we're doing a very quick lunch called a faux pho. Pho is a Vietnamese soup made with lots of noodles and meats and vegetables. Look it up on the internet. It's too much for me to explain. It's spelled PHO, pho. I first heard this on Guy Fieri's show. Joanne and Ted got me some pho for my birthday a couple of years ago, and it was phenomenally good. My gosh. So, and it had a lot of broth. So I saved some of the broth, and the next day I used it to make a faux pho for a friend of mine that used to work here named Ethan. And I used that, my own stock, some vegetables like what you see here. I shredded up or mandolined up some broccoli and a few florets. Use the guard. You need your fingers. Scabid. Some shredded chicken. Ramen noodles, or ramen, because Robert Irvine calls it ramen. I don't know why. Sliced mushrooms, and I sliced these mushrooms. Look at that evenness there. Let's see. There? Okay. Nick's mother-in-law gave me this terrific Christmas present, a mushroom slicer. Check this out. Now watch, I'll screw it up because I'm doing it on camera. Come. Look at that. I love this here puppy. One more time. Kerplunk. Thank you, Leslie. I love this. You go over here. You go over here. So let's go ahead. Our water's boiling. I got salted water for the noodles. My own chicken stock for the soup. So in goes the broccoli first. That's going to take the longest to cook in the broth. Put the cover on that to bring it up to the boil a little bit quicker. Into the water here, I got some boiling water. I'm putting in the ramen noodles in a basket like they do in the Chinese and the Vietnamese restaurants or whatever restaurants are serving it. Like that. That'll take a few minutes to cook. And then that's getting back up to the boil. Add in our mushrooms. Alrighty. Put that in there. Oop, I forgot a spoon. Oh, here it is. Stir it around a bit. See, the great thing about broccoli sliced up that thin and mushrooms, they cook real fast. And so do these noodles. These only take 3 minutes to cook. And they're doing very good. In fact, I almost have like a pasta boiler in here. I put this colander in the pot. You'll see it when I put it into the bowl. So these we don't need, into the garbage. Let's put this boy back up here. Now, like I said, with college students, you buy rotisserie chicken and stuff like that. You can't always make, the kind of food like I cook. Shred the chicken and save it. Use it for this soup. And they have great boxed chicken broths. So give this stuff a shot. And again, you get vegetables, slice them thin. Trust me, you'll enjoy it. Now, here we go. Broth is back up to a boil in a second. There is our bowl. I don't have a nice big ceramic bowl like they use in the restaurants. This is the best I got for now. So, okay, it's coming to the boil. Let's put in the chicken. Now, when they do the real pho, they layer in vegetables, bean sprouts, even raw ribeye, because the hot broth cooks it lickety-split. In fact, let's do that. Since this is cooked, let's just warm it up and put it right there in the bowl. Voila. In fact, I also thought about putting an egg in this. And why, you think I should put an egg? You got it. Come back here, Luddy. Let's put an egg in here, too. Up the protein a bit. And who doesn't like eggs? There we go. Now, one time, Ethan asked me, why do you break an egg into a bowl first? We were making chili. And the shells got all into the egg, and you had to clear it out. I said, try clearing the shells out of here in the middle of chili. So, here we go. This is boiling good. That's how our noodles are going. They're about 2 minutes from being done. And here we go. In goes an egg with the soup. Trust me, it's going to be pretty darn good. Of course, if we had really, really, really hot soup, we could just pour the raw egg in there. But I have a funny feeling some of you would pass out if I did that. Alrighty, bring this back up to the boil. Voila. That's good. The noodles are done. Just give it one more swish around because right now it's still pretty folded. So it looks like, oh, look at this. For a future episode on beef, gonna have a whole speech about this. Hope you can't wait. I'm gonna do Salisbury steak. Long story, and I'll get to it later. Here we go. Grab a fork. Break that up a little bit so it looks more like the ramen they would use. Or actually, I think they use rice noodles for the real Vietnamese dish. Turn that off. Drain it. Really good. See? Ramen noodles. In we go. That goes here. That goes over there. Everybody's done, including the egg. Shut that off. Pour it in. Voila. There we have it. Faux Pho. Noodles, vegetables, meat, and some egg. Yeah, check that. There we go. Look at how that came out. Sliced mushrooms. Look at the nice broccolis. There we go. That is Faux Pho. Check that out. All right, now let's go back to camera one. Well, it's all the same camera. Just got to switch sides, and this camera won't let me switch while running. So there you have it. This is Uncle Bart for College Cuisine with a nice faux pho. And by the way, faux means French for fake. Just in case. Oh God, I'm talking French again. Eat more and enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye. Man, someone's going to kick me one of these days for that. I think Mandy.
There's not enough light.